Hey guys, it's me. I wanted to pop on and give you a quick intro. Even though I'm wearing the same thing that I had on in this video, this is a continuation from the vlog that was like a few videos ago. So don't worry about it, pray about it. Today's the 16th of March. It's 10 o'clock at night, and I filmed the beginning of my 2024 spring haul. So tomorrow I'll be doing the try on as long as everything goes well in my life, and then I will edit that and get that up in a couple of days. I'm going to pick back up with IRL streaming, but I might not be doing it on the tubes. So make sure you're subbed so you can see my community post and see where I'm going to be streaming. Now that I'm not sick and I'm able to use my voice, I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff around here and to get everything. Basically, what you're going to watch me do in this video, I'm going to undo to get ready for season. So yeah, I got a couple of things to do around this property, and then we'll be headed out. I want to do a long distance motorcycle trip, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to squeeze that in before it gets Africa hot, but let's see. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a sub and like it so it can get pushed out in the algorithms. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Let me tell you what it feels like, being independent, no trouble inside. It's like magic, living like a pop. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life. Let me tell you what it feels like, being no mama, yeah, to yourself right.
Okay, girl, we back. 20 million fiascos later, and we back. That's how my life works. I tell you what. I think I can bring you guys a little closer for the moment. Oops, that was a little too far, bitch. A little too far. Okay. Let's see. I was talking to somebody about old people sayings, and I say, let's see. There's a lot of stuff that I say that is like an old, somewhere from back east, because it just runs in my family, and I've heard it so much. It's kind of a little nod to thems. Okay, bitch, I see the Bluetooth blinking. I don't see anything new.
Pairing.
There we go. Oops. I pressed the wrong thing. I wanted it. I wonder if I disconnect and reconnect, if it'll give me that same option.
Pairing.
I'll have to Google it later. I basically just want to see the sound quality.
I
likes it. All right. Let me turn this off. Well, I guess I could. I'm gonna be. Oh, that's what I'll do. I'll put you guys on. I like my music, Ming. What could I say? It's so hard for me to film stuff and to stream. Shit, girl, shit. Oh, I thought I was gonna drop my shit over there. All right, let me go turn that light back on. Find a place for this. That's really shitty, but doesn't it come with a plug? Maybe it's like underneath it, and I didn't see it when I had it upside down. What do y'all think? I'll have to watch an unboxing or something before I call them. Be like, oh, I don't want to get a plug with my shit. What the fuck? Really? It's my life. My life. Ooh. At least she didn't drop it. I don't see anything or feel anything. Look at how cute this little thing is where everything plugs in. It's like rubber and stuff and stuff. I think it would be in there. I don't even see like any cutouts in the styrofoam where it would go. What the fuck? Okay. Need a flat screwdriver for that one, and I don't think I need a screwdriver at all for mine. I am changing out the plates on our bikes. Hold on real quick. Ew. Gross. The screwdriver has like some sort of lube all over it. And not the fun kind of lube. Bought bins to put all this stuff in. I just have to come out here and do it, but I also have to wash the boat and wash this cover and let the cover dry and then cover the boat again. It's gonna rain in a few days. We'll see. Sometimes it says that and it doesn't ever rain here. It just kind of blows over to Arizona, you know? So, all right, gotta put up some music. It's too quiet. It's too quiet.
Get up, stretch my
You a real hater on that. I know you a fan of me.
legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs.
Girl needs a little thirst.
Brush my teeth up, wash my
If you put it down, I'ma pick it up.
face. Start my wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk
If you put it down, I'ma pick it up.
and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start
I put it down the greatest, baby. Hold this here for me.
my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon.
It's black Italian.
Yum, yum,
What it is, ho, what's up?
let's go. See the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day.
What it is, ho, what's up?
A, B, C, 1, 2, 3.
Bitch, I said what I said. I rap.
Drink some
She a devil. She a bad little bitch. She
water. Brush my teeth. Get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess.
Bitches worry about what I don't post.
Do my clothes for a fit.
I'm in my new truck with my roof at.
Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm ticked.
Silly ain't not for you, I want your bitch.
Talking, I still keep it real as it is.
They say I'm cocky, what you mean, bitch? I been that. Poppin' hoes out here beefing on the internet.
I show my age, I don't switch often. I'm just as a dad as a kiss. Try taking naps with my kids. Talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled. Spring, I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months we do it again. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs.
Okay, this stuff. This stuff is the stuff. I just wanted to make sure that this is what I used on my bow toss. Everybody's into the hot sauce, which is good for the vinyl, the sauce line. They have a good vinyl sauce. Pero this stuff and the orange stuff, I don't remember what it is exactly, but it is orange. Naranjo. Works bomb, but I think I remember this one working the best. I was over there fighting with with both of my air compressors. One, because people like to switch it around here and tightening them to death. A little leak is okay. It's gonna be okay. A little water leak, a little air leak, anything is fine. They forget that your bitch has weak hands. I got a strong everything else, but I got weak ass hands. From the carpal tunnel or some shit. I need to wash my bike better. Just try to make it look decent so I can take a little ride ski maybe. And oh, let me go turn that speaker off before it dies completely. Yeah, that speaker's pretty fucking dope. I think I got it for like a few $100 off. Yeah, baby, yeah. All right, that's ready to go. I got editing to do too. I'm just gonna get these few little spots that are bad. Probably make sure my bike starts. Let it run for a little bit. My license plate is missing a screw. And I think I saw it the other day, but I didn't know what it was. I want to say I put it somewhere though. I always find shit on the floor and I'm like, that has to belong to something. So I put it like in a bin or a box or something or another. And then by the time I figure out what it's for, I either forget what fucking bin or box or something or other it's in, or it's in a toy that isn't here. That is how my life works. I still haven't fixed my sissy bar or like washed all the overspray off from when I I had to grind off the coating and stuff. And I put it on by myself, so it was in there all cockeyed. And it still hasn't been fixed. I need to go see my friend. He needs to show me how to do oil changes on my fucking bikes. Your girl is done paying the dealership prices. Not only that, I have to tighten the fucking pocketbook. Because of my birthday, Christmas, Valentine's Day, my todo present. But we needed my new truck. I love it. It's got all the freaking torque you could ask for. It hangs with my freaking Hellcat. We needed it as a toad for the motorhome. I just gotta buy all the parts to be able to flat tow it. I think it was like $2,400, $2,500, and then get them put on. So there's that. I never checked that he put the running light in the back of my bike. I think what I'll do is start that up real quick, open the garage door so your girl don't pass out. And then I'll start that and clean it off while it's running for a little while. Emma's was dead when she went to ride it the other day, which it shouldn't be because we just got brand new Harley lithium batteries in August, September, October, November. So like 4 months ago. So I don't know what the fuck was up with that. We'll find out. I have to get her a new tinder though, because supposedly you can't use the old style tinders with these new lithium batteries. I'm thinking because she rode it the other day, hers is fine. But you're not supposed to just start it for like a minute. You're supposed to ride it around or have it run for a little bit. I just want to see if it's going to start tomorrow, because if not, I'm going to have to like jump out with my jump pack and be prepared to do that. And the reason I'm doing all this right now is so I could take a motherfucking shower and not get all damn dirty. Know what I'm saying? I need to put all this shit in bins so I can move the fuck out the way. Okay, girl. My poor meaty motorcycle. Me too. I feel like a noob I'm gonna have to ride around for a long time and get real comfortable before I start riding all crazy, girl. I know sometimes I'm cut off and out of frame, but I do my best. It's like I gotta get shit done and try and vlog at the same time. I'm one of those peeps that does everything myself, so yeah, it looks like it's the same stuff. Just this one looks a little bit lighter because it's been out in the sun, motherfucker. Okay, let me open the door. I can't even get my leg up. It's been that long, bitches. I gotta be careful not to burn my leg. Back in here. Uh-oh, that's not a good sign. Not picking up my fob. Uh-oh. What the fuck, dude? Why are these batteries dying? It hasn't been that fucking cold. I wonder if I should just put it on the tinder for a few minutes like she did hers. Or if I should try and jump it. I don't even think it's been that long since I've ridden mine. Some faggoty ass bullshit. If you ask me. I'm just gonna try putting it on the Tinder because the Tinder connection's right here and it's easier. Saying that it's greater than 80% charged. It can't be my fob. I just changed the fucking battery in my fob. And my alarm would be going off if it wasn't the battery. Very, very weird. Very, 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 very weird. Okay, now give me the option to put in my pin again. Or forgot how to do it. Okay. Maybe it is my fob. And I just didn't know.
Run like I don't got an estate. Yeah. Run it up. Yeah. Yeah. Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got an estate. Yeah. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Been 1,020, spent 100. Money come and gone, let's get straight to it. Been a businessman, it's bigger than music. I was on a new building with like 8 units. What's for sale, I might buy it all. Don't wanna put in work, now you just wanna ball. Got Louis bags with no money in them. Bigger the lie, the harder they fall. Fast route, for me it's always been a cash route. Back route, spend some money, switch a piece of cash out. Always been a stand-up guy, never back down. Curry's on my team and got some pack outs. Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got an estate. Yeah. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Savior of my city like I'm Luke Cage. This is real life.
Let me see if it'll start with my fob now. Nope, it's still saying intermittent. Alright, I'm gonna have to exchange the battery on my fob and see if that's what's going on. Or what the fuck. Welcome to the world of motorcycles and RV life. You always need a battery for some shit. Always, motherfucker, always. Alright. Just gonna cool down with y'all. And we'll be heading inside so I can edit. I guess I can turn this to the sides. I don't know what makes it easier for her to get her bike out. She cleared shit out with the quickness that she needed to get it out. Like, she went to the fucking DMV. I had already gone to the DMV, and then they were like, no, she needs to come in. I was like, motherfucker. So she'd gone over there, and I was like, all right, well, call me if you need anything. I can come down there. And they told me what to tell her to bring, the title, all this other shit. So she fucking drove her ass over there. And she gets there, and then they're like, oh no, we need the bike here. I'm like, what the fuck? Then she came back and she was like, fill this shit out. I'm like, you have all kinds of stuff behind your bike, just let it wait. And she's like, fuck no, I can move that shit, I'm moving it. So she moved that shit, and we'll get on over there before they close. I went ahead and threw my fucking clothes on. I went over there with her. So that way we could put her bike in my name, so they don't give me shit fucking anymore. Stupid. Dumb, stupid, dumb state. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna hold that. Like, California is a good place to have your motorcycles registered in. I'm just saying that. Okay, guys, I need to, let's see what time it is. It's 2 in the a.m. 2, your girl's lucky number, favorite number. I need to go inside and do some editing and get all this shit off my mug. I need to take a shower. That's why I wanted to get all this done right now, so I could get a nice, good little head to toe shower. And at least the good news is I remembered the pin to my bike. So now if I need to use it, a bitch can. I think I have more of these little circle batteries in the house somewhere. The question is where. All right, hoes, I'm out. Thanks for hanging out. I will show you when I see you. Peace.
All in 2K. I was just a young kind, loose change. Now I got it coming 22 ways. 12s on me, no flu game. Same team, we the new way. I told my baby come and get some. What's hers mine and she here to stay. I said, do you love me? Why not though? I know I'm on the go, I'm on the run, girl. For the money, my vatos. I know I'm not from LA, I'm from New York. Upstate though, but we got dough. And we don't show no mercy, run the score. Prices on my head, so we got balls. Went from MIA to LA, on the run like I don't got an estate. I went from LA to the A, on the run, you can tell where I stay. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby.